Hi, hello, this is Anup here, and in this video, what we are going to see is how to free up your hard disk space, right? So, you go to settings application in Windows 11, and within settings you can go to systems, and in the systems you can see a storage section. If you go to storage section, you would be able to see what are the things, category of items which is taking more space, right? At the moment, the temporary files, I can see delivery optimization and previous Windows installation, those are taking more space on my hard disk, right? 11.4 GB gigabytes of previous Windows installed, I don't require that, and I don't care about delivery optimization because that is something needed for peer-to-peer kind of data transfer or data transfer with between Windows 11 clients. So I'm clicking on remove files. One thing I have not enabled this, that in this list, that is a downloads, right? Downloads folder, I need that for some reason, so I'm not deleting those folders. So temporary file size is reduced pretty much to megabytes now. It was in gigabytes before. Now the other important option is you need to enable the storage sense, right? That is best practice. If you enable storage sense, then you would get all these options, right? Run storage sense when during low freeze disk space, and you have option to delete, download files, etc., etc., and option to configure OneDrive. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.